Okay. Chris Paul. Nice pass. Ay. Oh, bumalik si Tito. Bumalik. Hermoso. Dribble the ball. Screen. Back to Tito Anthony. Back to Tito Ken. Back to Tito Hermoso. 10 second shot clock. 7 second shot clock. 6, 5. Nice steal. 15 second shot clock. Fast break situation. Easy 2 point. Number 3. Stepping in the line. Yung shot clock to. Back to Tito Ken. Tito Ken, jump step. Up, pivot. Fade away. No good. Rebound. Same ball. Score, 31-27. In favor of RDL. There we go, fast break situation. Tito Ervin. Nagdadalang bola. Up. Nice pass. Junjun. Nice follow up. Ay, nakawala. Up, ayan na, Hermoso. Nagmamadali again. Easy 2 points ba? Oy, na-fake. No good. 3 versus 1. Junjun, nagdadalang bola. Up. Nagkakaguluhan na sa opensa. Ay, naku. Ito, 2 points. Easy 2 points ba to? May foul. Oh. 3 points. Oh. Good. Hanggang dito nito. Ayan naman. Tito Ken. Tito Jeff. Boom. Time out. Remaining time, 7 minutes and 28 seconds. Alexan ball. Set Alexan ball. Let's go. Okay, Nato, drive in. Jumper, no good. Rebound by Tito Ken. First presentation. Traveling. Angat ng 1-0 ang RDL. Number 8. Back to Tito Nato. Back to Kumaingking for 2. Tito Jeff. 37-27 in favor by RDL. 10 points lead. Nice one. Remaining time 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Score 37-29. Back to Tito Jeff again. Nakuha niya. Back kay Tito Remy. Tito Remy jumper. No good. Out of bounds. Tito Melvin, jumper. No good. Air ball. Oy, nice D. Oy, jump step. Op. Tito Remaining time, 5 minutes and 30 seconds. 15 second shot clock. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. Very good. Back-to-back traveling by Tito Ken. Boom. Drive it to the basket. Oh, wow. Who's foul rep? Tito Melvin. Diretso. Jump ball. Fourth personal foul. Boom! Two points. Fast break situation. Tito Remy nagmamadali. 2-1. Naghanap papasahan. 4 minutes remaining. 15 seconds shot clock. Back to Tito Ken. For 3. Bang! Air ball. Wow! Number 3. Oh! Ang aaboy mga kababayan ng St. Alexan. 2 points lead na lang. Oy. Time out. Time 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Boy, good shot. 37 all. Nakahabol na. Who's foul rep? Time, 3 minutes and 13 seconds. Good. Dito rin, may nagagawa ng bola. Bakay Tito Nato. Fast break situation. Bakay Tito Banban. Uy, fake. Good. Fast break situation. Tito Rani. Tito Ken, 3 pound na ball. Bakay Tito Rani. Naghabol, 2 versus 1. Wow. Lukil, 4th personal na si Lukil. Tito Anthony, 2nd personal foul. For 3, bang! Bumawi! Tito James, fast break situation. 5-1, lusot! Grabe yun, no? Oh, randang move. Ready, fight. Kumaingking, nagdadala ng bola. Back kay Tito. Screen. Back kay Tito number 8, jumper. No good. Tito Anthony, fast break situation. Tito Rani, easy layup. Wow. After situation, huli. Out of bounds. 50 seconds. Uy, Tito Nato. Nag-drive in. No good. Rebound by Tito Malit. Malit. Out, steal. Fast break situation. 3 versus 1. Tito Jeff. Ay, nawala pa. 32 seconds. 30 seconds. 25 seconds. Up. For 2. Pagang. Buko, ang init mo. Kumaingking. 18 seconds. 15 seconds. 14. 13. 12. 11. 10. 9. Oh, foul. 5 seconds. 4. 3. 2. 1. Is this Tradago? 24. Uy, nice pass! Uy! Ay, sayang. Pangkis na sana ngayon. Dito, Melvin. Jumper. Taga! Puro shooter yung mga San Alexandro. Grabe. Arak gabi. Trip! Ito, Arnel, rebound na ball. Up, still. Still by Tito James. Tito James, nagmamadali. Tito James. Nice pass! Wow! Grabe! Foul. And one. Counted. Okay, back to the game.
Back to the game.
Oh, dalawa sila. 3 seconds. Bakit dito Arnold?
Pass to
Ay.
28.
Tito Anthony, nagmamadali. Back to Tito Rani.
Back to 30.
Remy.
Jack.
Bang! Wow! Tito Arnel, nagagagawa ng play. It's over sa Malaksak. Laging foul. Kumain
Pass
King,
to
drive in.
28. No good.
Foul. Wala pa, wala pa. Okay, kumain King. Fake. Back to Tito Melvin. Tito Melvin, jumper. No good. Rebound by Tito Remy. Back to Tito Melvin again. Jumper. No good. Back to Tito Remy again. Again.
Hey, traveling violation.
Driving. Rebound by Tito Jobet. Tito Jobet. Na-trap. Back to Tito James. $15 shot clock. 10 seconds. Jumper. No good.
Foul.
Relax lang mga kababayan.
Mababa 7 minutes and 20 seconds.
Wow! Tito Remy, kumaka na. Mainit ang laban sa sobrang... Tito Nato, drive in. Bomb, block shot. Back to Tito James. Tito James, nag-aantay ng kakampi. Ayan.
18 seconds shot clock.
18 seconds. 3 points. No good. Substitution left.
Substitution left.
Pasok na, pasok
Pasok,
na.
pasok. 6 minutes and 50 seconds.
Kumain King again. Wow! DL, warning for penalty.
Kaway-kaway naman dyan!
Wow! Who's Paul rep? First shot. No good.
Pangalawang bugso. Wala
Ay,
pa rin.
rebound ng game. Back na block shot.
Block by number
Tito James. Nagmamadali. Tito James. Ay, nice pass. Boom! Kuha pa rin yun, no? Grabe si Tito Remy. Unstoppable.
pass to number
Tito Nato. Block shot again. Back to Tito Jobet. Back to Tito Anthony. Tito Anthony nagmamadali. 3 of 1. Back to Tito Remy. Time. 6 minutes and 7 seconds. Kumain King. Lost. Back to number 28. 28. Drive in. Naipit. Wala na. By RDL. Tito James, floater. No good. Rebound by Tito Melvin. Tito Melvin, nagmamadali. 3 of 1. Tito Melvin, nauwiwan lahat. Yun nga lang. Yun. Back to Tito James. Tito James again. Back to Tito Hans. Tito Hans, pull up. Bagang!
Even.
Back to Tito Nato. Tito Nato. Back to number 28. Back to Tito Nato again. Tito Nato. No good. Push ball. No good. Rebound by Tito James. Pass break situation. 3 of 2. Uy! Tito Melvin. No good. 51 seconds. Di makita. Uy! Tito Nato. Uy! Kuha pa yun, no? Tito James, nagdadala ng bola. Uy, na-pivot. Iwan. Back to Tito Remy. Tito Remy, fake shot, hesitation. Pull up jumper. Bang! Grabe, unstoppable. Score, 58-46. 28. Time, 4 minutes, 11 seconds. Tito Antonio, dada. 15 seconds. 13 seconds. 10 seconds. Oy, block shot. 6 seconds. 4. Boom! Hernandez. 2 points. Tito Melvin. Nagdadala bola. Back to Tito Nato. Tito Nato, drive in. Bagang! Ang tahimik na Conjen. Anthony, nagdadala ng bola. Score, 56-48. 10 seconds shot clock. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Second personal foul.
You lay your hands, I praise God's hand. You lay your hands, oh, I praise God's hand.
Score, 56-50. Tito James, fast break situation, 3 of 2. Tito Remy, again. Uy, back to Tito number 28. Okay, nagmamadali. Floater. No good. Rebound by number 8. Wow. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 53 seconds. Score, 56-51. 5 na lang ang lamang ng RDL. Tito James. Back to Tito Hans. Tito Hans, jumper. Ay, in and out. Rebound by number 28. 28, nagmamadali. Back to number Kumain King. Tito Nato, drive in. Ay, no good. Rebound by Tito James. Tito James, back to Gabel. Tito Anthony. Pinapatay yung oras. Ginagamit yung oras. 10 second shot clock. 9, 8, 7, 6. Bang! Tito Melvin. No good. Kumain King. Bang! 2 points, 2 points. Anthony.
2 points.
Score, 58-53. 5 na lang ang lamang. Back to Tito Remy. Remaining time, 1 minute and 30 seconds. 3. Baga! Grabe! No good. Rebound number 8. Back to Tito Hans. Back to Tito Remy. Tito Remy. Natatrap. Back to Tito Hans. Tito Hans. All the way. Back to Tito Ken. Tito Ken fade away. No good. Remaining time. 1 minute. 1 minute guys. No good. Back to Tito James. Boom. Time out. Okay. 57 seconds. 55 seconds for 3. Air ball. Tito Ken, dribble the ball. 46 seconds. 44 seconds. 40 seconds. Hermoso. Nice pass. Block. 35 seconds. Tito Melvin, nagmamadali. Lahat. Boom, wala na. Hermoso. 25 seconds. 20 seconds. Wow. Run. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Kamay-kamay!
Kamay-kamay, walang samahan ng loob. Kamay-kamay.
Congrats Team Hortons from the FBF Blue.
Ikamay nyo din ang referee.
Kamay-kamay din sa
Magaling ang
referee.
ating referee.
Thank you, Ref.
At Rep Bakayen Alcos.
Winning team for...
Akin.
One, two, three. Jump shot.
Jump shot.
1, 2, 3.
Daming fans, oh. Daming fans. Kaway-kaway naman dyan. Bye, guys. Tapos na ang basketball. Tapos na ang laro. God bless. And good night.